Hi Juan, are you going to go or vacation this summer?
Yes, I'm going to visit Cusco with my family. What about you?
I am going to travel to Baracas. I love the beach because it is racing.
Great. Are you going to make a reservation before the trip?
Yes, I am going to book a hotel near the beach. I buy the bus tickets online. Are you going to stay in a hotel?
Yes, I'm going to stay in a hotel near the Place de Armas. My hotel is not expensive, but is comfortable.
Uh, who who are you going to take with you?
I'm going to take lots at Camry and my backpack. The backpack is mine. What about you?
I am going to take sunglasses, sun shoes, and I suitcase. That suitcase is mine too.
What are you going to do during your stay?
I am going to eat seafood, look around the city, visit the ballestas islands, and take many photos. Who are you going to do?
I'm going to visit Machu Picchu, butch some souvenirs, eat traditional food, and spend time with my family.
Are you going to visit any famous landmarks?
Yes, I am and got to visit Machu Picchu and Sacsayhuaman because they are amazing place.
That sounds great. I am going to visit the Paracas National Reserve because it is beautiful.
Are you going to go back home on Sunday?
Yes, I am first. I am going to check out the hotel and then go walk young.
Me too. I'm going to check out Sunday morning and return home with my family.
I think we going to have a wonderful vacation.
I agreed. Have a great trip.
Thanks. Enjoy your vacation too.
Thank you.